How to get a call center job without any experience. To get a call center job without any experience, consider these steps. One. Update your resume. Highlight any relevant skills such as communication, problem solving, and customer service. 2. Online research. Look for entry-level call center positions in companies that hire candidates with no experience. 3. Tailor your application. Customize your resume and cover letter for each job application to emphasize your transferable skills. 4. Networking. Utilize personal and professional connections to learn about job openings and potential opportunities. 5. Prepare for interviews. Research common call center interview questions and practice your responses. Focus on showcasing your interpersonal skills and willingness to learn. 6. Role-specific skills. Familiarize yourself with basic call center tools, software, and customer service techniques. 7. Customer service skills. Highlight any past experiences that involved interacting with customers, even if not in a formal call center setting. 8. Be open to shifts. Many call centers have varying shifts, including evenings and weekends. Being open to different schedules can make you a more attractive candidate. 9. Demonstrate enthusiasm. During interviews, express your eagerness to learn and contribute to the team, even if you lack direct experience. 10. Temporary or contract roles. Consider applying for temporary or contract positions, which might have lower experience requirements. 11. Training and certifications. Some call centers offer training programs or certifications to help candidates build necessary skills. 12. Apply widely. Apply to multiple positions to increase your chances of getting an interview. Remember, while experience is valuable, demonstrating your willingness to learn, strong communication skills, and customer-focused attitude can help you secure an entry-level call center job. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tips and updates. Thank you for watching.